off these rocker panels because I didn't even know these things could come off, but I'm going to be taking them off on the hunt for rust. Let's see if there's any rust behind these things. So I'm going to start out by drilling out all the rivets. So I don't really know how to do this, but I guess you just jam the drill through the hole and then it'll come out. Oh my gosh. I didn't break my car, did I? Nope, all good. All right. I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these left, plus the other side, but we won't count that right now. Am I doing this right? Hopefully it'll come off. I mean, that's the main goal here, right? If it comes off, I did it right. If it doesn't come off, something went wrong. So now that I have all these rivets finally off, it's time to unscrew. I have some bolts down here that I need to take off, and then we should be able to pop this sucker off. Oh my gosh, these things are flatheads. I've been trying to put sockets on this thing for hours. They're flatheads. I need a screwdriver. Gosh. I wonder if I'm the only person who has a Porsche up on blocks. These screws are so hard. Am I tightening this? I'm trying to get this bolt. It won't move. Righty, lefty, loosey. Okay. Oh, here we go. Finally, I got it. Yes! Into the bag. I'm going to save these for later so I can either exchange them or just so I know where the parts are. So anybody that has a lead on a good jack, let me know because I need a good jack. Will you trade grapefruit? So 2 7mm bolts is all that's holding this thing on, and dirt is literally falling out of this. I don't know. One 7mm bolt out, and let's get the little rubber washer. Woo! Here's the rubber washer. Can't tell if I'm tightening it or loosening it. Hold on. I'm not very good at this stuff. But I will get good at this after I take this whole car apart and put it all back together. I think I almost got it. Oh! Oh, yay. I got it. And there we go. Into the bag. And then it's time to take this thing out, which should be the easy part. Ew! Wait, this is full of dirt. Gross! Gosh. There's like little seeds and like, ew, there's bugs. All that dirt. Ew, this is like all the mud that's like built up over the years. Okay, what is this? This is like all these little seeds and like gross pistachio things, like burnt pistachios. It's hanging by a spider web. Isn't it nice to get something clean? What do you guys think? Should I still reuse this, or could I still reuse this, or what? Looks pretty good. There's no real rust. I mean, I could probably clean this up and like wash it. May have to bend this and weld this back together. Alright, now that this is done, I just have to vacuum this up, and that brings us to the end of this short episode. This was so much fun to like take off. Honestly, all this dirt is really satisfying. I kind of want to roll in it, but it's kind of disgusting, so I'm not going to do that. However, I did a very good job of getting all this filth out of here. Watch this. Oh my